Want a quick way to get centered and grounded when people are pushing your buttons or let you down? Hi, I'm Eero Gonzalez, and I've been empowering entrepreneurs to build their center of influence by harnessing their health, mind, and energy through ancient Eastern practices since 2003. Since it seems like so many people in general these days are either very sensitive, less patient, or quicker to anger, I've put together a simple exercise sequence to ground yourself and think clearly when people test your patience. It's also the best thing you can do during your busy workday to release stress, clear your mind, and harness your energy in 5 to 10 minutes. It's one of my most popular resets, and it's a must-have in any driven entrepreneur's self-care toolkit. And I think you're going to love it too. My students use it to cut through overwhelm, to be less reactive in challenging relationships, and even to stand strong and hold their own during important negotiations. And even though it's a starter exercise, after 20 years of sharing it with students, I still use it too. I do a lot of writing, and I find it's great for clearing writer's block. And I always do it before I go on stage. Like the first time I went on the TEDx stage in front of a live audience of over 5,000 people. And that's because I knew it was a reliable method to get focused on harnessing my energy so I could then go out and carry the energy of such a massive group. And it did. They were so engaged in experiencing their own key energy for the first time, you could have heard a pin drop. It uses the first principle of energy of Chinese medicine and the Tao healing arts, a principle that adepts and healers call water up, fire down energy condition. It involves bringing the fire energy that wanders up from your heart to your head when you're thinking too much, making you hot-headed or sluggish, down to your abdomen, your core, to ignite your physical energy. And the thing is, when you get triggered, what happens is your heart constricts, which actually shoots fire energy up to your head. So as the fire energy then is drawn down to gather in your core, it warms your kidneys, which sends water energy up your back channel, which cools your brain to a nice, beautiful, crystal clear state of awareness, getting you centered and grounded and harnessing your energy for focus and impact. So I put together a video to guide you through it. If you're on my blog, click the link, the big button beside or below this video to get free instant access. Otherwise, if you're interested, comment yes below and I'll get you the link to join me.